Welcome back to the channel. Today it's yet another 2026 M340i, the M Performance variant of the G20, and we're at G20.3. This one is finished in everyone's favorite color, Brooklyn Gray. So let's begin up front with our headlights. So dual headlight design and very nice styling on the daytime running lights. This has the shadow lights as well as the corner light. Grille is blacked out, which means the shadowline package. Honeycomb grille. The parking assistance camera there in between the grills, part of the parking assistance package. Down below, that's the sensor for driving assistance package. That means ACC. You will note this is done prior to PDI because it's a Friday, and of course, right? Over on the side, style 792Ms, bicolor wheels, floating center caps, and the red M Sport calipers. Pearly P0s of the tire. And you can see on the fender, the black M badge, part of the Black Emblems package you can add to the vehicle as a port installed accessory. There's that side profile. Let's move out back with our classic L-shaped tail lights, gurney flap in high gloss black, M340i badging in black, and then down below, a dual exhaust with a high gloss black diffuser. There's a rear 3/4 view of the G20. Now production runs through, I think, either October or November, depending on the facility. This one is built in Mexico. So model year 26 is the end of the G20 line. But let's get inside, go over pricing and options. So we got this core red perforated Sensatec, a no-cost upholstery option. So upper door card in plastic. Then we have some Takora red here in the middle. And scratchy black plastic down below. Then your standard seats on the 3 Series of the US market. Well bolstered and comfortable. Then down below, because of the Sensatec, all you have is lumbar support. Then a manually powered crumb catcher. And then M badging here on the door sill. On the inside, we got the M Sport steering wheel. Flat bottom, it's got M badging, M stitching. Left-hand side controls here for cruise control and active cruise control with distance control there. Shift paddles here, red stripe at 12 o'clock. Airbag cover in plastic. And in front of me, iDrive 8.5 live cockpit. Head-up display. There's the curved display. And upper dash, you can opt for Sensatec dashboard. This one does not have it, so this is their standard plastic and carbon fiber trim. Leading to your vent controls, and then more trim here in the center console. Current 12-volt socket, USB-A port, cup holders, and wireless charging tray. Then you got your start-stop button, drive selector nub, and iDrive controller knob. Center storage area, you have a USB-C charging port right there. Starting price of the 2026 M340i is $62,300. Paint's another $650. Sensatec included. And then driving assistance package for $500, which is just ACC, not stop and go though. And then shadowline package for another $600, parking assistance package for another $800, then $1,550 for the premium package, and then adaptive M suspension for $550, carbon fiber trim for $300. Then we got the luggage compartment mats, wheel locks, Black Emblems, floating center cups, first aid kit, and M Performance floor mats. All told, MSRP of this particular example, $69,635. Estimated fuel economy. All right, moving to the back, there is comfort access on the rear doors, but opening up, here's the rest of the Takora red. Good companion to Brooklyn Gray and most colors. Here's a view of the cockpit from the back seat. Burner shade open. Then out back, vent controls, climate control console, and 2 USB-C charging ports. Knee room, legroom, pretty good. And headroom, not bad either. All right, moving to the back. Should have kick to open. Now pops open. Here is the luggage area. Decent size. You can also fold down the rear seats for even more room. Here's your luggage compartment mat, then powered tailgate, standard on the M340i. Let's make our way to the front. and pop the hood. And here's the P58 inline-six 3-liter turbo engine with a mild hybrid. So you get 386 horsepower and 398 torques. So plenty of power for this M Performance variant of the G20. But that's it. We'll see you at the next video.